Nose unlocked.
He climbs ladders way faster than Peppino.
I mean, Peppino is fast.
I'm also streaming it too. Oh, I like the music choice for the.
Yeah, they like gave like the noise effects, like new music and stuff.
Dash or grab. Oh, that is fun. That's gonna be a lot of fun to do.
Is that sarcasm?
No, I'm actually serious. That's gonna be actually kind of fun to do.
I mean, I had fun playing Pizza Tower, but my dumbass didn't know how to fight a boss. I just looked at a video of it on my channel.
Ah! There you go.
You're actually doing really
It's
good.
pizza time! But some of the mechanics are fun to play with the noise. I'm about to freaking kill the nose.
I'm going to fucking kill the nose.
Don't say that around nose though, because
He ain't even here, dog.
yeah, that's why don't say it around nose.
Oh no,
Wait.
I fucked it up. I fucked up
Wait,
the
can I say
run.
something? Why do I
Wait,
feel-
should we bring nose here?
Sure.
Because, you know...
Wait, I want to say something real quick.
Oh,
Okay,
okay, the
this
doors
is-
is closed. Yeah, the doors.
Why do I feel like because of this update, you know the Gmod Pizza Tower pack? I really hope it receives
Yeah.
an update.
Wait, imagine if I actually P-rank this first try with the noise. I've been waiting for
Peaked at Fortnite. I hate you.
I've been waiting for so long for this update. And it's finally here. It's almost as awesome as when we got the Halloween update.
Do you think that'll come back this year?
Probably. I actually found out something about the Halloween update. If you like change the date on your clock to on like the date, it actually does work. I want to try to P rank the levels and then 100% this game again with the noise. Yes, I'm that much of a psychopath to do that.
Bro, it's funny that he rides a skateboard.
He's trying to be so radical. Ignore that I was being kind of stupid for a second. Okay, this is gonna be a lot of fun to learn how to play as the noise.
Weren't you able to do that in like old versions of Pizza Tower?
Oh, he even has like oh, look at this. Oh, nice. Okay, the way he moves is actually kind of fun. Because he has like a completely different move set. Kind of like how he did in like how he's basically like an updated version of Pogo Noise, but way more fluent. It's pizza time! Oh. Wait, that was there.
Look what I'm doing.
He was like
I was just having a spasm.
Let me see.
Oh shit.
Oh, you did it. Instead of Gustavo, it's a little noise bomb.
And or the noisies from the boss. And I did see Noisette at one point when I was playing.
That's what, like, the dealer guy, whatever his name was,
Mr. Stick. Yeah.
I had trouble saying some of the characters' names back then.
Oh, I saw Noisette.
Look at me just absolutely just go crazy.
I could get that at lap 2.
Oh god, imagine doing some of these levels on lap 3 with the noise. Oh god.
That'd be hell.
Because
The little
his
creatures like
moves
to
are...
play.
Okay, you can still do the little trick to get your mock run quick and easy. Oh crap, no! Well, I lost my P rank.
I'm gonna stop watching your stream so I can hear my game.
Yeah. I was kind of doing the same thing too. Wait, do I have a double jump? What? I think I accidentally like did a double jump of some kind when I was doing my little spin. Jesus, uppercut gives some height.
No, 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 no! Damn it! There goes my P rank.
You're not the only one that lost their P rank earlier.
I like how we're all playing Pizza Tower.
Bro,
Probably
how
because
am
this.
Bro,
I'm trying to see how I did that. Oh, you have to press up and jump. Kind of like how you do with the uppercut. That's cool.
I'm using a controller for this.
Well, I'm using the way I play it, keyboard.
Say, I wonder if it's still Pizza Face. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's still Pizza Face.
What do you think it would be?
Oh my god.
Maybe Fake Pepino will be the same, who knows? Maybe it's that one weird Lorax thing that they once showed in like the Twitter. If you remember that.
Oh god, you actually make it. Damn.
I prefer an SRP. Shut up, nose. I mean, noise. I've been so used to saying nose.
Not me.
Well, because of like the memes.
Yeah, I'm going to fucking kill the nose.
Or no.
And also because of, you know, nose.
Our friend.
Jacket.
I've never been.
That's cool! That's
I've
actually
never been-
really cool!
I've never been this happy seeing this.
It's like that
You
one
should-
thing from
you should check-
SpongeBob.
You should check out, Noise when he dances.
I did see it because I remember seeing the seeing the
Boys.
teaser.
Play the
Unlock
noise
by
update.
flying with the crutcher jump
Noise.
and the side spin.
I literally
Yeah, we're all
played-
playing the noise update.
There's costumes? Oh my god, I did not know that.
Wait,
Noise update
Cole,
just
look
came
what I
out.
look what I'm doing.
I played it.
Pizza
played it,
some
I
blood
played
sauce dungeon. Let's go. I'm gonna S
played it,
rank
I
it.
played
Well,
it.
well, I'm gonna
These-
try to.
these
Wait, can I say something? I'm gonna try to 100% the game again with the noise.
This
Oh
moveset-
god, that's gonna be.
Oh yeah, I'm actually working on 100%ing the game, by the way. Actually,
Yay!
I am working on it. I think I'm 34% so far, because I P ranked the first. I tried to P rank.
Yeah, I did see that.
Me all you want, but okay, make fun of me literally all you want. I cannot, for the life of me, P rank Ornagiri Desert. I'm sorry. Okay, make fun of me all you want.
Did you see Ornagiri Desert? It's oregano.
Origami.
I just lost my P rank again.
And there's a few.
Can I say one thing? This level.
I really like the updates. Like, the character's really fun and like, noise is like really like slippery. It's very cool for his character. Bro didn't even hit him.
Wait, let me see what the. Oh, I have to get him.
I'm sorry for laughing.
No, sorry. I just like making people laugh.
Bring it around town.
sound like the boomer.
Ooh.
Boomer.
Humor.
Hold the taunt button. Hold the taunt button.
I did.
Hold the taunt button.
He already did.
He
He already knew that. Wait, Miss. Oh, that's cool. Look who Mr. Stick is in this. It's And look at that. That uppercut is high. Make you go really high.
Yeah, I know.
Stupid.
John Gutter's kind of
Yeah, but I do like this. I do like how he puts stickers on the title card. He gets it for every single level.
Yeah, by the way, you don't. When I learned that you can take damage in
Oh my god!
rank.
Spaghetti!
Yeah, you can take damage when you P rank. It's really dangerous to do that though.
Yeah, I
because
did not know that, and when I learned that, I actually was really upset.
Wait, what? He bounces back.
Yeah, I bounced off walls. Wait, he can bounce off walls? That's cool, I didn't know that.
I mean, he does bounce off the walls in the boss fight, right?
We're gonna play the rest of the game, so.
Dude, I gotta see the noise boss fight after this. Oh, I didn't wanna. No, not yet.
Old dude. Turn the meatballs.
I am just absolutely just murdering murdering everybody as the noise.
You are the noise.
Oh, that is cool. That you can just bounce off enemies with that. Do it right. Jesus Christ, this is just insane how fun this character is.
Bro, shut up.
Why does the Pizza Tower soundtrack have to be so good?
Because, it can. No, don't fall off. There you go.
No fall. No fall. What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to create an infinite paradox.
And I'm trying to get
You
some.
fall down. Ah, it would've been funny if you played the scream. Yeah.
Okay, we'll save you, Dave. Well, you're just supposed to stupid and transform.
God, this is gonna be a blast trying to P-rank this.
Blast.
Got a blast! Nope.
Swim through the stars to buy candy bars.
It was a kid with a knack of adventure with a superpowered mind. I love that. I love his.
Nose. He's bouncing.
Ooh, I almost lost it
My
for a second. What?
More permission. Look what's happening.
Let me see. Let me see. Your stream is ended. What? Wait, what? That's weird. It said it did, but it's not, huh? That's weird. Oh my god.
Shut up, I'm playing Pizza Tower Noise Update. So I was talking to the Alexa.
I first thought it was your mom or something. That would have been funny.
No, Mom, we're playing the Pizza Tower noise update. Also, I did talk to my parents. I'm able to get the balls before make the new one.
Nice.
Can't wait.
I'm gonna try to P-rank John Gutter, at least right now. Because I do want to see his P-rank animation in full. Because I've only seen like a bit of it from that teaser on Twitter. that the official Pizza Tower count did.
Is it gonna be that one where it's like he has that, you know, super shock face?
No, that's S rank. It's I'm talking about the P rank. He like he's like got a, like a rope around his body.
Watch Noise have a seizure.
Oh god, I got.
No, it's just Noise having a seizure.
You know what I just got reminded of?
What?
When we were playing Gmod with Doc, we were doing a Pizza Tower thing, and we were at that one, like, I think it was a gun store in Pizza, like a shop in Pizza Tower. And freaking, Pizza Face was shoplifting.
Oh god, speaking of Pizza Face, I'm really close to getting Pizza Face right now. No, get it! No. No. Woo! Nice.
That ain't a fork!
The rope broke. That's funny. I am so proud of myself. What, me?
No, it's not.
I do like how it's not. It doesn't even change the title cards. It's just him like just basically destroying them.
Donut Noise.
Hey, tiny creature, I'm going. Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger apocalypse.
You are fucking that tomato up. Was it a pepperoni goblin? I forgot what those things were called.
Pepperoni goblins.
Spaghetti.
I am so happy that this update came out just today.
It had to come out on a Monday.
No. There you go. I almost lost my combo. I would have been so angry. I could just
What are you trying to do?
Trying to go down the ladder.
Do you not know how I'm not that hard?
You can climb down a ladder, you know.
Yeah, I've used the ladder before in my life.
Why are you trying to sound like Alice?
I don't. They didn't tell you about the time my buddy.
I've cared about the time my buddy Keith tried jumping off a building. Bro, go to that.
This is a nice change of pace. There's something flashy about how crazy you could just do some of these moves.
Acceptable.
Oh, that was cool. Did you just see what I just did?
Yeah.
You could bounce off the walls as in the night form. Uh-oh. Oh god, I was worried that I was gonna be stuck. I gotta get one of the fork knights. There we go. Phew. I almost lost my P rank there. Oh, look at this. Boing.
Oh, let's.
Oh, baby.
Peppermint.
No. I won't P rank the entire game just yet with noise. I just want to experience the game with them before I actually do that. Oh, get. Ugh!
Oh, I can throw bombs at him.
That is annoying. Trying to like bounce off walls.
Or like a noising. I'm sorry.
Shut up, annoy.
Oh,
Kill yourself.
Oh man.
My name is Noise and I abuse my wife.
Wait a minute. Wait, let me. Look what I'm doing. Oh god, did I just get myself soft locked? Nope. I think I just found a way to get out of that area without having to do anything.
It does the sad face when it misses.
Yeah. Oh wait, look at that! Look at that painting. It's different too.
He's like, are those sausages?
Yeah. Dude, I don't want to uppercut. I want to jump. Damn it.
Oh, nice! Did you just see that? Okay, sometimes sure it's difficult to play him, but once you know how to just go. Donut noise. There we go. I was trying to do one of the chef tasks.
What? Bro, he's cheating. He's using aimbot.
He's lagging the server.
He's lagging. Oh man.
That's the one problem. That's the one thing I had problem with the fighting.
Countier, why did he keep making that noise?
Because he can.
Because I am the noise.
He is the noise after all. He can make a noise.
Well, I'm the noise.
No, he's not.
Nope.
Anvil. I
just want to finish the level. I just want to finish all the levels.
I'm going to
I'm
turn
not
you
gonna
into
try
a
to-
papaya.
I prefer an S or a P. Shut up!
Wait, no, that just reminded me. Counter, remember
Why
the time
did
you
you
had
sound
that
like the Smosh shut up sound?
Wait.
Countier, if you make
I
that noise
prefer an
one more
S or a
time, I
P.
swear.
Shut up! Wait, I saw the text say come to noise at for hugs and kisses.
I'm gonna
Okay,
throw an anvil.
I'm
There.
My name is Louis and I abuse my wife.
My name is Wait, my name is Gustavo. But you can call me Sauce.
What the heck?
Remember that meme?
Why did he play? He deflated.
That was funny though. He was like,
I swear, some of the things.
These aren't rival.
What, Pepino?
Yeah. I'm so used
It's
to
gonna be-
Pepino's movement.
Yeah, it's way different than Pogo noise too.
you might as well.
And I was and let me tell you something. I was a huge Pogo noise person. Wait, I have to touch the. Wait, I have to get. Oh, I have to literally run into the rat. I can't throw it. I have to run into it when I have the bomb.
It's kind of funny.
I'm basically just. Okay, I was gonna say it, but that would have been kind of insensitive.
What were you gonna say?
Suicide bomber.
I don't get it. I don't
Noise
get it.
dancing.
Oh my god, bro. Just beat him! Beat this apple!
He's a Actually, yeah, they made him look more like an apple now.
Even though in the original he did look more pepper-esque.
Would it be like if he's actually an apple, not a pepper?
I do think it's funny that you have to run into the rat in case you blow it up. Instead of having to, you know, throw it.
Bro, you destroyed
'Cause-
that masterpiece!
Because you know what the noise can do besides... I can't, it's hilarious just seeing the noise just run with a bomb. And to just go into the rat and just... Boom!
Yeah, it touches Willy. Stop trying to sit on me!
Wait.
Yes, they got him.
Do 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 do.
Oh, that wasn't.
Here comes the sun. Do 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 do. Wait, I want to see what the S rank looks like. If I can get it.
Just the way you taunted at him,
Oh, hi. BAM!
Just imagine you're about to touch him. He's gonna touch him like, oh, I'm gonna touch him with my fingers. His name Fingers.
Fingers.
Hey,
Ow! Jump!
Jump!
Oh, wait, this stupid apple is getting in the way.
I like how
Bro.
you turned into. You literally turned into the noise at one point when you did that. Just.
One apple.
Dude.
Come on. Hey, Apple.
Hey, Apple.
Apple. Oh god.
Oh god, no.
I can't with the sound that Countier's making.
You almost said Matt. Oh my.
I know I did. Shut up.
Countier, shut up. Countier. Yeah, it
cannot
hurts, doesn't
wait,
it?
Wait, can I say something? I cannot imagine how much of a nightmare this is gonna be on like lap 3.
Bruh.
Like I am,
What do you mean, bro?
I am scared what lap 3 is gonna be with the noise.
Countier, you're not Donald Duck.
Oh my god, it's so good!
Oh my god, it's so good.
Say that in the baldy voice, Maui.
Oh
No.
my god, it's so
Shut up,
good.
Maui.
Oh.
You're so
Bro, you're not
Oh my
fixins.
God. Oh
Get
my
your
God.
mind out the gutter.
Wait, that's wild.
Man, you're just
Wow.
love this pepper sitting on you, bro.
Look at me just absolutely just fly across the map like a madman.
Stupid apple. I hate apples.
That's a
An apple
pepper.
a day keep
Shut up.
an,
It looks
an
like
apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Bro, shut up.
It's funny, Maui.
No, it's not. It's annoying.
Wait, didn't the nose just join?
No.
Dang it!
Name Finger.
Let's see.
Your name is fingering butt bun.
Come to noise
I-
it for hugs and
Oh, wait,
kisses.
no, that sounds terrible. No.
Yeah, also, don't expect me to do because
I still have to write the file for video, so once I'm done with that, I'll do this.
Well, I'm just noising till my tower.
I'm just noising
How long
around.
it took me?
Noisy
Okay,
till I
pick
tower.
one of these,
Fuck.
if that's spin dash, by the way, thing.
I'll make some noise till I tower my pizza.
listen,
I don't know how long it took me to put sauce.
Noise!
A long time. I understand. As someone that is
2 hours.
100
Pizza Tower is my favorite.
understandable because that level's a pain in the butt to
Countier.
complete. And I should know.
is
Yeah, that's the one thing I hate don't like
Secret.
about Pepperman's boss fight this thing. Oh, never mind.
third secret is basically if you want to do a damageless pizza tower,
bitch.
that is basically it.
Yeah, I hate that secret too. That's why I try to. That's why. That's why I play it slow.
I hate this game.
And Maui, don't you dare.
What happened?
I said you gotta play it slow, and then I was like,
What?
Maui, don't you dare. I just said, don't you dare.
Bro, it's a funny little.
Shut up.
It's an FL Studio preset.
I know it's
Peppermint, eat this guy.
the sky is falling.
I love when
I
he
do
just,
like-
takes off his mask. It's just like, oh no, he's hot.
Every time he falls into the lava, he makes the scream. That's funny.
Wait, what? I didn't hear it.
Yeah, when he hits the lava, he makes the funny scream.
It's the
That is
I love
kind of
that scream.
yes.
Isn't that
Wait.
scream like an edited?
Yeah, it's an edited sound, like how Peppino's is an edited stock sound, like
I'm gonna
Peppino's.
go shower so I don't smell like
Feet.
I
Peppino's
don't
armpit. I
care
don't
if
know.
you. What?
I'm gonna go.